Watch this video to learn use of lambda in filter function and map function. The variable numbers is a list that contains integers from 1 to 10. Here is an example of using the filter function to filter a list of numbers to only include even numbers. The filter function takes two arguments, a function and an iterable. In this statement, we will use a lambda function as an argument. The list function will be used to create a list object. The output of this code is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can use a lambda function with the map function to find the square of numbers. In the example, I provided the lambda function that will be applied to each item of the numbers list using the map function. The output of this code. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more, subscribe.